Hi, I'm Nathan Schenk with TopTier. I'm a Controls Engineer. Here we're introducing our new L7 all-electric Palletizer. We have a number of new features on this machine. The first feature we have is the perfect pattern technology. It guarantees precise placement of the cases on the row build section. It also confirms the rotation of the cases and also the case size to eliminate jams downstream. One of the other key features on this machine is we have a new stretch wrapper. It prevents film breaks by anticipating the film payout speed as the pallet's being wrapped. This prevents film breaks and also allows us to increase pre-stretch settings up to over 300%. This reduces film usage and is a cost savings to the customer. We can also wrap the pallet faster than we have been before. In this machine, we're using the B&R ACOPOS drives. What B&R has done for us is they've developed a link that allows us to control up to 30 drives on a single Ethernet IP connection. It's a very modular system for us, and it's self-configuring. We can have any size drive in the system, and you can replace a small drive with a larger drive if that's all you have in your spares inventory without any additional configuration. For replacement, you can take off the old drive, replace it with one, and just power the machine up, and it transfers all the parameters automatically without any configuration. One of the key features that B&R offers us is real precise positioning. We're using the ACOPOSmulti drive system. This system, we can configure up to 30 drives on a single Ethernet IP channel. It's a real simple configuration from our PLC. The B&R drives offer us the ability to run any type of AC motor, whether it's an induction motor, a permanent magnet motor without an encoder, or a full closed loop permanent magnet servo motor. Our machines, we typically use induction motors, and that's just simply from a cost standpoint, the induction motors make a lot of sense. But as we move forward with new designs, just having the ability to plug in a servo without any major configuration changes is a real advantage to us. And we can run servos and induction motors on the same rack system.